Let's talk about autoimmune disorders in a simple way. Whether you are suffering from type 1 diabetes, ankylosing spondylitis, rheumatoid arthritis, lichen planus, lupus, or any other autoimmune disorder, there is one thing common in all autoimmune disorders, that your immune system attacks your own body, your own cells, tissues, and organs. I will explain autoimmune disorders through an analogy, and I love analogies. Let's take example of a country or any country. A country is protected by its own army. But what happens when that army attacks its own country? Yes, when your body is attacked by its own protector, the immune system, or a country is attacked by its own army, what will happen? There will be all chaotic feeling inside your body. There will be inflammation. People will become hostile in the country. Okay, so all these types of inflammation and pain, swelling will occur inside your body when your immune system attacks your cells, tissues, or organs. Let's say if it attacks your joints, it will create rheumatoid arthritis. If it attacks your spine, it will cause ankylosing spondylitis. So when it attacks your pancreas, it will cause type 1 diabetes. So in this way, autoimmune disorder operates inside your body. Cure or healing won't take place unless you change your mindset and behavior, unless you address the root cause of your disease. All the equation boils down to four main things. Okay, start saying no, start making healthy boundaries around yourself, stop people pleasing, and stop searching for external validation from the people who don't value your worth. So when a country or your body behaves in this way, what we do? We do surgical strikes through surgery. We bombard it with chemicals like painkillers and steroids, but without addressing the root cause of the disease.
Research have shown that acupuncture can play an important role in reducing the symptoms of autoimmune disorder when integrated with other therapies. Acupuncture reduces the side effects of the drugs and dependency.